First thing, remove the closer. Oh, they're gonna say where you close. Okay, remove the U-bolts, the little tail facing down, put the hinge to the holes. Oh yeah. So you want to make the outside have longer. You see over here, you need that bolt to go out a little bit so it won't hit the thing. So you have a post. This is 1 7/8, if I'm not mistaken. You will need to put the bolt inside, all the way in. But it's not gonna, the U-bolt won't grab. What I do is I remove the original hinge. Where it gets a little tricky. The bottom's on the original hinge. As you can see, this is where I need to go with this one. See, now we got space to put this one in. You're just gonna take your time to put this nut in there. There you go. Do the same to the other one on the top. Remember wearing gloves at all times. This is just so I can start the video. That's pretty much it. Now, put it on the other side. Pues papito. Move this one with a flatty. Chao pues. Y otro. With a flatty again. There you go. You got the option to tighten everything here. That one out of the way. Once you put the one on top, the bottom is going to be easy. So just tighten this one real good. Remember, this one's all the way in. What I'm going to end up doing is cutting this bolt right here. Cut over here. Cut over here. But that bolt will be on my way. I'm going to try to close this one. I got the latch of the gate pried up where I want it. That's where it needs to be. I come here to this side. Now, just tight. The top one secure. I'm gonna throw in the second one on the bottom with the original hinge still attached. So I put the nuts on this U-bolt. Now, I can turn this. Make it easier to put it on this side. And don't fully tighten, just hold this, put it to stay there. Again, you need to cut the bolts. As you can see, I'm gonna need to put more here, so it's gonna hit. Okay, this is my little chair, so I don't get on my knees. Sit down, remove the original hinge dash one. And then add these over here. Okie dokie. So now the bottom hinge, I'll put it right where the original was. You can now like turn this. See that? To make it, to keep it open. Put something like that. There you go. Now here we have this fence thing. There you go. Nuts. Remember, always safety first. Wear gloves. I got leather skin, so I'm good. Do the other hinge. The other U-bolt. Listo, papi. Be responsible. Okay? I don't drink every day. It's very irresponsible. That's why I drink every night. You. Come to the other side. Same thing. Oh yeah. Okay, la otra. Take your time, Carl. Yes, of course, take your time. No bother. No se preocupe, malparia. Okay, now tight, not completely, because we're gonna play with it. So it's in the right position where we want it. You see? So tie the bolts and see, then we'll see where we want it. Ay, coño. So I recommend tightening this ones first, the inside ones. Fortunately, the socket wrench doesn't fit in there. So take your time, and that's it. And when you finish, clean up everything. Landscapers come around with their lawnmower and get hurt them. Pick everything up. Oh no, this is tight, not completely, not all the way. Still move it. Come to the latch side. Latch the gate where we're supposed to be. I'm gonna put something to hold it. You can see. I know that's what I wanted. Something to hold it. Here we go. Come here again. We play with this one. So this one should be right there. Yeah. Want to get more nice. Want to get nicer. Grab yourself your little tiny level. Something from the money. Okay. And now there you go. Just tight, tight, tight. Aprieta. Turn on. I have an issue right here. See that? It grabs, but not as good as I wanted to. So, over here. Come here now again. Tap, tap, tap. Tap, 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 tap. Okay, like that. Yep. Más bonito. Put the set screw back in here. See, so now it's good. I had to adjust this one too. I'm playing with the screw right here. There's an issue. Like I said about the bolt. Oh, my bolt. Oh, it's hidden there. Ay, coño. Now I gotta loosen it, pull it from the other side. So once you're almost complete, you can now open it. Make sure everything is apretadito. Así. Rico, rico. And I'll throw a set screw right here. This for two. I only throw one in each side. Put one on this one. Boom, boom. And that's it. Se acabó. Okay, so now to adjust the spring, you need to remove this one. be careful. If you remove this, and this pin is upside down, that spring might come out of the bottom. So, keep that in mind. No, pues papito, ábrase, mijo. Otras luces, que aprieta. Pues qué belleza. Una belleza. Aquí abajo también la misma vuelta. Ah, se soltó el carechimba este. Es que mi perro, uy, 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 eso ahí mi perro. Vamos a ver cómo quedó. Y wow. Eso, rico, rico. Rico, mi Rottweiler. Oh yeah.